today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your liked posts on LinkedIn. If you've ever reacted to something and wanted to find it again, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where those likes live and how to manage them. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone and head to any post in your feed. I'll tap the like button on a post as an example. You'll see my reaction instantly added beneath the post. That simple tap is all it takes to save the post to your reactions history. Next, let's get to your full list. Tap your profile icon at the top left, then tap your profile again to open your main profile page. Once you're there, scroll down until you reach the activity section. This is where LinkedIn collects what you've been doing recently, like posts you've created, comments you've made, images you've shared, and, of course, your reactions. If you see a button that says Show All Posts or Activity, go ahead and tap it to open your complete activity list. Inside the activity view, look to the top right and select Reactions. That filter switches the feed to show only the posts you've reacted to. LinkedIn groups all reaction types here, like Celebrate, Support, Insightful, and Love. So anything you've tapped will appear in one place. You should now see every post you've liked, including the one we just reacted to a moment ago. If your list looks empty, it simply means you haven't reacted to any posts yet. From here, you can browse through your likes to revisit articles, announcements, or updates you found helpful. To remove a like, tap the reaction on that post again, and it will be cleared. If something still resonates, you can share it directly from this view to your network or add a comment to keep the conversation going. This is a great way to tidy up your reactions or resurface content you want to read more carefully later. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see reactions, make sure you're on the full activity page and not just the preview on your profile. The option appears when you've opened the expanded list. This process is the same on most phones, so whether you're on iOS or Android, the steps should feel familiar, and that's all there is to it. You've learned how to like a post, locate your activity, filter by reactions, and manage those liked posts in one place. If this guide helped, feel free to subscribe for more simple how-tos and drop a like so others can find it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.